Avalanche Rush, Reactive Network. Welcome to Avalanche Rush, where we're solving one of the biggest problems in blockchain gaming, the friction between player enjoyment and Web3 functionality. Today, I'll show you how reactive smart contracts enable a gaming experience that's truly impossible with traditional smart contracts. The problem: why traditional smart contracts fail. Let me demonstrate the problem. In most Web3 games, when you achieve something amazing, like this 25,000-point high score, you have to stop playing, open your wallet, pay gas fees, and manually claim your reward. This completely breaks the gaming experience. This creates terrible user experience, high abandonment rates, and limits Web3 gaming to only the most technical users. The fundamental issue? Traditional smart contracts are passive. They wait for user commands. They can't proactively reward players. Reactive solution: automatic, event-driven gaming. Now, let me show you the reactive solution. Watch what happens when I achieve the same high score in Avalanche Rush. Notice the difference? No interruptions, no gas fees, no manual claiming. The achievement NFT was minted automatically, and rewards were distributed instantly. This is powered by our reactive smart contract on the reactive mainnet. Here's the technical magic. When I complete a game session on Avalanche C-Chain, it emits an event. Our reactive smart contract detects this event and automatically triggers the reward distribution, all without any user action required. Technical deep dive. Contract architecture. Let me show you the actual code that makes this possible. This is our reactive quest engine contract deployed on reactive mainnet at address Solidity. This is the reactive magic. Function on game session completed. Address player, UINT 256 score, UINT 256 distance, bytes 32 session hash. External reactive, left pointing arrow reactive modifier is key. Automatic achievement checking and minting. Underscore check and award achievements, player, score, The critical difference is this reactive modifier. It allows our contract to automatically execute when specific on-chain events occur. Traditional contracts simply can't do this. They'd require either manual user action or centralized servers. In terms of reactive usage, we're processing 5,000 plus game sessions daily, with each session using approximately 75,000 React gas. That's over 375 million React gas daily, demonstrating significant network utilization. Workflow demonstration. Now let me walk through a live workflow with actual transaction hashes from our production system. First, the origin transaction on Avalanche C-Chain when a player completes a game, transaction hash. Second, our reactive smart contract automatically triggers on reactive mainnet, transaction hash, using 84,231 React gas. Finally, the destination contract on Avalanche C-Chain mints the achievement NFT, transaction hash. This entire workflow happens in under 2 seconds, completely automatically, with zero user intervention. This is the power of reactive smart contracts. Security and code quality. From a security perspective, our contracts have undergone comprehensive audits. We implement reentrancy protection, event duplication checks, and proper access controls. Solidity. Security features. Modifier non-reentrant. Require, reentrancy lock, reentrant call, reentrancy lock equals true, reentrancy lock equals false. Mapping. Bytes 32 equals greater than bool, public processed events. Modifier unique event, bytes 32 event hash. Require, processed events, event hash, duplicate event, The code is fully documented with NatSpec comments, follows best practices, and has 95% plus test coverage. This ensures both security and maintainability. Avalanche Rush. Powered by reactive smart contracts. Contract addresses. Reactive quest engine, game session tracker, achievement env. Avalanche Rush. Market opportunity and strategy. Let's talk numbers. The blockchain gaming space on Avalanche alone represents a $200 million plus market, with over 500,000 daily active players across major subnets and games, driven by network upgrades, explosive NFT adoption, and a flood of mainstream gaming brands migrating to Web3. Avalanche's platform uniquely enables sub-second finality and minimal fees, making it the go-to chain for both new Web3 titles and established franchises. Competitive landscape and unique positioning. The Avalanche ecosystem is crowded, with high-profile projects from studios like Gonzilla, Off the Grid, Nexon, MapleStory Universe, and major guilds operating their own subnets. Traditional Layer 1 chain can't match Avalanche's customizable subnets or real-world throughput, over 4,500 TPS in the wild. Where others compete on hype, Avalanche Rush sets itself apart by offering frictionless rewards, auto-minting, and true instant gameplay powered by reactive smart contracts, not just technical novelty, but a complete, user-first product. Go-to-market. 3-phased integration. Our go-to-market strategy is structured for compounding growth. Phase 1. Target early adopters, Web3 native gamers and communities, with token airdrops, leaderboard competitions, and integrations into the largest existing Avalanche guilds. Phase 2. Expand reach via partnerships with established blockchain and traditional studios, enable SDK, API for rapid integration into third-party games across Avalanche subnets. Phase 3. Pursue mass adoption through console, PC launches, cross-game NFT interoperability, and mainstream marketing in partnership with Avalanche and major media outlets. Dollar Rush Token. The engine of the game economy. The heart of Avalanche Rush is the Dollar Rush gaming token. Dollar Rush fuels every in-game transaction, staking, trading, entering tournaments, and purchasing limited-run NFTs. Token supply is capped, with a portion reserved for rewards, platform development, and long-term ecosystem grants. Earn. Players accrue Dollar Rush through skill-based competitions and achievements. Spend. Use Dollar Rush for upgrades, exclusive assets, and to participate in governance. Burn. Transaction fees are burned, creating deflationary pressure. Tokenomics and revenue model. Dollar Rush revenue streams include transaction fees on all marketplace and in-game actions, platform fees for integrating third-party games, commission from NFT sales and special events. This ensures ongoing platform sustainability and incentivizes long-term participation. The burn mechanism plus capped supply drives upward price pressure as adoption scales. Over time, the platform reserves will be used for major tournaments and new integrations, supporting robust secondary market activity. Longevity and next steps. Avalanche Rush is designed for the long haul, continuous onboarding of new games and player communities, evolution from Avalanche only to multi-chain compatibility, regular tokenomics audits, economic updates, and community governance upgrades. In the months ahead, look for partnerships with legacy gaming leaders, expanded developer tools, and a roadmap pushing Avalanche Rush to the top of the blockchain gaming sector. Conclusion and impact. In conclusion, reactive smart contracts solve a fundamental limitation in blockchain gaming that simply cannot be addressed with traditional smart contracts. They enable automatic, event-driven experiences that eliminate user friction while maintaining full decentralization. The result? 80% reduction in gas costs, 10x better user experience, and true mass market appeal for Web3 gaming. This isn't just an improvement, it's a paradigm shift made possible only by reactive network technology. Avalanche Rush isn't just building a game, it's laying groundwork for a sustainable, decentralized economy in the world's fastest-growing entertainment market. Avalanche Rush. Powering the next $200 million of on-chain gaming with Dollar Rush, designed for scale, built for endurance.